Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Jonathan Coase, and in today's quick, brief training, I'm going to be talking about affiliate conversions. So by the time you're done with this video, you have an understanding. Now, I'm coming straight from MP Social, this guy named Legiticism. I think that's how you pronounce his name. But it's a really short post, as you can see. It's a lot of text, but overall, it's a pretty short post, and there's no comments below it or anything. So this post is extremely helpful, and I really wanted to make a video about it. I'm just basically going to be reading, and I'll elaborate as I go along. So hey, y'all, I've recently seen several questions about affiliate conversion types, so I decided to create a thread and explain it in details. Hopefully, it'll be helpful for you, especially for the beginners. For newcomers to the affiliate marketing world, I understand the conversion types of offers can be challenging and complex, but no worries, I've crafted an article tailored just for you, explaining all the conversion types along with their abbreviations and brief explanations. This guide will illuminate the path to understand what actions are necessary to convert customers based on the specific offer type. So the types of affiliate conversions. Before we dive in, a heads up, there's a plethora of conversion types out there, so we're going to categorize them into 3 groups for clarity. Each type will be labeled as easy, medium, or hard based on how challenging it is to achieve. And to keep things simple, we'll use the most common acronyms, so you'll be well versed in their meanings as we go along. Let's get started. Number 1, easy conversions. So beginner-friendly conversion types labeled as easy are perfect for those starting out in affiliate marketing. They don't demand deep expertise or hefty budgets, making them more accessible than medium or hard conversions. Additionally, they're easier to optimize, making them ideal for affiliates looking to gain experience and understanding of the process. A good example of that would be when I first got started, one of the first few products that I selected was PE Remedy. And it was one of those kind of offers where really all you got to do is just read up on it, or you can just buy it for like $27 or whatever it was, and then use it, like get really familiar with it, and then just make a review video about it. It's not like you had to like be in the community for years and know all these deep insights. It's just stuff that really you can just watch like a crash course about and then create a review on that product. And then another example of that is stuff that's like no-brainer and extremely easy to understand. And you see a lot of stuff out there like the 2-week diets and whatnot. So why? Among conversion types, single opt-in conversions stand out as the simplest to attain. The process involves engaging users to provide basic contact info such as a full name or email address. Each time a user submits this information, it counts as a conversion. Simple opt-in conversions are prevalent in sweepstakes, dating, and gaming offers, and although less common, they can be found in finance-related promotions. Note that this conversion type is sometimes used for more complicated offers. And then one-click. One-click conversions occur primarily on mobile devices. This type is common in mobile content offers where users simply need to click on the landing page to subscribe to the provided content. Click to SMS conversions occur when a user initiates an SMS message through a provided link or button. And then you have cost per install conversions. They're prevalent in affiliate marketing realm. Users complete a conversion by downloading and opening an app. This model is not exclusive to mobile apps. It also applies to desktop browser extensions, which follows a similar process. Push subscriptions. Affiliates earn commissions for generating push notification subscriptions. Users simply need to agree to receive push notifications, and the affiliate earns an APK, short for Android Application Package. It refers to a file format used for Android apps. In APK conversions, users download the file, install it on their device, and then open it, similar to cost per install models. And let's talk about medium conversions. So all of these are basically easy conversions, and they group under this category here. So these are all considered easy. Now, medium difficulty conversions are more suited for experienced affiliates who grasp the intricacies of the affiliate marketing landscape. While they pose a greater challenge than easy conversions, they also promise higher payouts. Double opt-in conversions closely resemble single opt-in conversions. The distinction lies in the confirmation process, typically conducted via email or phone. After signing up, users receive a confirmation email, and upon confirming it, the conversion is registered. And I have a lot of personal experiences with this. I used to not have the double opt-in for my autoresponder series. I would just, have them basically put their name and their email address in, and they'll start receiving my emails immediately. They don't have to confirm that they want to be on the list and nothing like that. Because I found out that when you do have a double opt-in, it's just a lot less people will remember to click confirm. That's why you want to make sure that you have something extremely interested, something that makes them want to go find it in their email. Because if it's just like something that only piques their interest and attention for that little, say, 5 minutes that they saw your offer, then put your name and email address in, then they're probably likely to forget it. And then cost per event conversions operate on the premise of user downloading a mobile app, installing it, opening it, and then completing a specific action termed as the event. These events may include making a purchase, subscribing to a service, or other in-app activities specified by the advertiser. So some other conversion types. In addition to the above conversion types, you may see some other conversion types here and there. I tried to make a list of them you may see in other networks. So free trial. Free trial conversions are commonly employed in mobile app marketing and occasionally in desktop offers such as streaming services. The objective of these conversion types is to entice users to opt for a more complimentary trial period. In essence, users are invited to explore an application or service at no cost for a specific duration, typically ranging from 3 to 30 days, depending on the offer. Following the trial period, users are prompted to transition to the paid version. This process often entails providing certain details, occasionally including credit card information. Consequently, free trials are considered medium difficulty conversions. COD, cash on delivery. COD stands out as one of the most prevalent conversion types in the realm of e-commerce. Under this model, affiliates undertake the task of encouraging users to provide their names and phone numbers in order to get a product. Following this, the advertiser's call center initiates contact with the user, engaging in discussions and endeavoring to promote products along with any available upgrades. Upon the user's confirmation of the order, the affiliate receives commission. Some variations of COD conversions incorporate a lengthy contact form that users must complete, often inclusive of address details. In instances where direct phone communication with the users proves unattainable, the company proceeds with delivery attempts aiming to directly sell the item to the prospective buyer. They're a lot more engaged in the process, especially if they're filling out a long form like that, providing address details. People don't typically give that information up unless they really want something. CPO, which stands for cost per order or cost per sale, shares similarities with COD. The distinction lies in the terminology and presentation, yet the underlying concept remains the same. Pin submit. Pin submit conversions find their niche in mobile content, occasionally extending to video and gaming verticals, serving as a more intricate iteration of the two-click model. Pin submit entails users submitting their phone numbers, receiving a text message containing a pin, and subsequently inputting this code to trigger a conversion. Pin submits offer lucrative payouts and are commonly employed in lead generation scenarios where phone number verification is imperative, such as instances where the next step involves interaction with the call center. And these are the hard conversions. This category encompasses conversion types suited for top-tier affiliates equipped with substantial budgets, advanced optimization techniques, and a comprehensive blacklist and whitelist at their disposal. So CPL, cost per lead, stands as one of the most prevalent conversion models across various industries. It revolves around generating high-quality leads for advertisers by gathering detailed user information such as email address, gender, names, and sometimes even tax numbers, especially in financial sectors. The ultimate goal is to collect precise data required for converting these leads into active clients. CPL conversions are commonly found in sweepstakes, insurance, home improvement services, and other mainstream sectors. FTD, first-time deposits, they're prevalent in sectors like betting, iGaming, finance, and cryptocurrency. Affiliates earn a fixed amount each time a new user makes their initial deposit, irrespective of its size. CPS, cost per sale. I have an entire video and training on this. I have an entire tutorial and a few shorts on this subject. Cost per sale conversions entail receiving a set amount for each sale they generate, often are familiar with right here. Often affiliates are compensated based on revenue share within the cookie lifetime, with cancellations potentially affecting the final payout. These conversions are common in finance and e-commerce, including niche like VPN services. They're common in finance and especially e-commerce. You can also encounter CPS in the VPN that you basically just repeat the same thing twice. Now, hybrid conversions blend various models such as cost per install, cost per event, registration, deposit, free trials, and cost per sale. Typically, the initial part of the conversion process is unpaid, requiring completion of both parts to receive the payout. It's crucial for affiliates to grasp that although these conversions occur, they may not necessarily result in leads, necessitating adjustments to optimize the process. Pay per call. Pay per call conversions prompt users to dial a specific number, with affiliates receiving payment for each second or minute of the call, depending on the offer's terms. For instance, if an offer stipulates payment for only 3-minute calls, a call lasting 2 minutes and 59 seconds will not be compensated. CC submit conversions require users to input valid credit card information to either make a purchase or enter a contest. Upon successful registration of a valid credit card, a conversion is recorded. Typically, validation occurs through a nominal charge of $1 to $2 immediately after adding the card details. It's worth noting that in some networks like Propeller Ads, you can specify the conversion type when setting up a campaign, provided you select an auto optimization tool. By doing so, algorithms can assist in driving more targeted traffic to your offer. So this sounds like an ad for Propeller Ads. Navigating through the various conversion types in affiliate marketing can feel overwhelming at first, However, the insights provided above aim to simplify the process and empower you to make informed decisions when selecting the most suitable conversion strategies for your campaign. With a better understanding of these conversion flows, you'll be better equipped to navigate the intricacies of affiliate marketing and optimize your campaign performance effectively. So that's pretty much it for the video. I wanted to go over these. A lot of these I haven't made videos on. I've made videos on cost per sale, and I believe that's just about it on here. I never done cost per install before. I believe I've done one click, double opt-in. I have videos on. I haven't made anything on cost per conversion, but this is definitely provides some good insight for folks who wanted to get a broad understanding of the different conversion types from easy to hard. All right, so that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you enjoy it. If you like content like this, then I definitely recommend that you subscribe to the channel. I'll talk about everything when it comes to generating traffic and increasing sales. And be sure to take the affiliate marketing checklist right in the description. It'll help you to generate traffic and improve your overall marketing campaign. Be sure to take a look at the tools and the resources below, as well as the pinned comment by the Affiliate Marketing Samurai. And with that said, I will see you in the next video. See you then.